we got a cube minus b cube equal 27. Can you see it? Let me write it. A minus b equal to 9. And they are asking a times b equal to how many? So first we can see a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This is a formula. We can figure it out, but this is you will take the time. Okay, let me just do it right here, right now. Okay, so this is a cube minus a square b plus a square b minus a b square plus a b square minus b cube, right? So this and this cross cancel, this and this. No, this and this cross cancel, this and this cross cancel. So this is this formula. If you forget it, you can still write it down. Okay, so we got this, and a cube minus b cube is 23 equals a minus b is 9 times a square plus ab plus b square, right? Divided by 9, this is 3, so a square plus b square plus ab is 3. We got this. And a minus b equal to 9. So a square, we square it. A square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 81. We square it, right? So a square minus 2ab plus b square equal 81. A square plus b square plus ab equal to 3. And this one minus this, or this one minus this one, a got out, b square got out. So negative 3ab equal to 81 minus 3, which is 78. Right? So a times b equal to 3 negative 26. So that is the result.